So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm coming to y'all with a really fun video. This will be a review and unboxing about the Fab Fit Fun box. And what is Fab Fit Fun, you ask? Girl, FabFitFun is a seasonal or one-time subscription box that you can get for $50. But of course, using my promo code Miss Nicole, you getting $10 off. So let's get into it. So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, y'all. I am so excited to tell you all about this video. And in today's video, I will be telling you all about the Fab Fit Fun box. I would first like to thank FabFitFun for sponsoring this video and choosing me to collab. Hey y'all, I'm here to tell you what FabFitFun is. FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box with full-size fashion, beauty, fitness, and lifestyle products. Y'all heard what I said. You're not getting no little trial samples here. FabFitFun's mission is to deliver happiness to everyone everywhere. Available in the US, Canada, and UK. And you can customize many of the items in your box. I love that. So far, by far, my favorite product in this box is the hair removal tool. Like when I tell y'all that, and then they have this other thing for stress with your hair. I have some stress spots, so they're going to be healed of all their stress by using those two of my favorite products, okay? This box is valued at over $200, but by using my code Miss Nicole, you can get $10 off your first box, making it $39.99. So again, Miss Nicole will get you $10 off, and many of the products cost more than what you're paying for the entire box. So give FabFitFun a try. And let's get back into this video, okay? As y'all can see how cool this whole concept is. Like, of course, there's a promo code where you all can get $10 off your first box from me, Miss Nicole. Of course, the link is going to be in the description box, and it's only $50. Things that you get in this box, y'all, like, come on, let's get into it. They are well worth it. Like, just wait till I show y'all. So it comes really packaged really cute in this cute little box, and I just thought that was super duper cute. It comes packaged so nicely. So there's a magazine that has like it also tells you about each product that you're getting and the retail price of it. And then it talks about on here, I love that proceeds go to the No Kid Hungry campaign. So that is big. I love that they give back. It talks about fall home decor tips in this catalog. It has some recipes, how to style, you know, some of the items that you've received in your bag. Yes, to start off, you're going to, in this box, this is the fall 2020 box. And I am definitely going to use this. This is $45 credit at Bright Sellers. If you take advantage of joining the club, you can redeem your $45 credit to enjoy unique wines matched to your taste. So if you love wine, ladies, this is for you. Then, of course, HelloFresh, which I love HelloFresh. You can get 10 meals, 10 free meals with this, 10 free meals with purchase. And then there's a unique code that you will put in there, and this needs to be claimed within 30 days. I've tried HelloFresh before, and the foods were so good. How you can customize everything. Off the flip, y'all, this is a stress reliever, 100% natural hair oil. This retails for $75. But you're gonna get it in this box for $50. So alone, this box, come on now, this alone is $75. So what this does is you put this on your hair and it helps your hair grow and things like that. I thought that was really, I'm definitely like ready to use this because my hair been kind of thinning and coming out or whatever. So this is going to help just, you know, get my hair into shape and things like that. I wanted to, you know, let you all know what this smells like. As you can see, it comes out in a dropper. Sunflower oil, jasmine oil, pumpkin oil, sesame oil. I can really smell that. It's really, really soft on the skin. So, you know, where you feel like you need to grow your hair, just wherever your hair has stress. It's not overpowering. It's actually a really fresh scent. Then this is Glow Milk. It's nourished with coconut and argan oil. This is a face milk for face and body. This retails for $19.50. It says Milk Glow is a liquid, radiance in a bottle. Create long-lasting lift from within. Look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter enriched with coconut glow milk. Hydrates while illuminating the skin. Achieve a healthy luminous glow by brushing 3 dots illuminating milk on your face, high points, and collarbone. So you can put this on, ladies, before you put your makeup on, okay? And this is it comes in like a little bottle. This is a 15 milliliter. So right there, you're looking at over $100 for just these two right here. And you getting everything in this box for $50, okay? So the next thing is this crease release. What you do is when you want to make up your bed and you want it to have that fresh laundered smell, you spray this on after you make your bed. This is the classic scent. It removes wrinkles, and this is $16, y'all. $16, like, come on, okay? I'm telling you, this box, ladies, if you want to just pamper yourself and treat yourself, you know, seasonal, or just, you know what I'm saying, just get one of the boxes, is the box for you. The next thing I'm excited about is this Height Tranquility Sleep Mist. Now, if you want to, you know, go relaxing when you're ready to, you know, get fresh out your shower or your bubble bath, this is formulated with powerful ingredients that relaxes your senses and soothe your skin. Its calming lavender scent mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting a healthy complexion. So with this, you can either spray it on your pillow or kind of spray it on your skin. Oh, y'all, this smells so good. I can really smell the lavender, okay? I can really smell the lavender. Like, it smells so good. The next thing I was really excited about is a hair removal device. So it says for all skin types, for all body parts, cleaning brush included, battery included. This is $59.99, okay? It says this device will instantly and painlessly sweep away unbothered hair from any area of your body. Its discreet and portable design will allow you to carry it with you anywhere. Y'all, so it says it comes with batteries, so we're gonna see. I was excited about this, y'all. Look at that. It comes with the little, everything is in there. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I had to put the battery in there. So, let's see. Okay, so I really don't have any hair that I could really cut off. Unless I cut this hair off my knuckle. Let's see. Y'all, when I say it cut this hair right off my knuckle, you don't feel it. Okay, shout out to this little hair removal thing. So, I am excited about that. So, yeah, y'all, that is $49, okay? $49. Oh, we're not done yet, y'all. Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Bra Gel. This is $22. So, I got my bras filled in a little bit right now. So, just so I can keep them in place, I would put on this bra gel just so they wouldn't leave. As you know, we be worried about our bras coming off. Baby, they ain't coming off with this, okay? So I'm excited about this, y'all. $22 and it came in this box. So right now, as you can see, the box pays for itself. Oh, we ain't done yet. So these are some blue light blocking eyewear. They're like little sunglasses. Not sunglasses, but they block light. These are $45. So let's get into it. Nectar is the brand. And they come in this cute little case. So like if you out and you just don't want the sun, you know, in your eyes. Oh, these some cute little frames or whatever. Like if you out and you just want to be out and you know you don't want to have on like actual sunglasses. So you put these on and you can still see people. Oh, these cute. $45. $45, y'all. So as you can see, you get some amazing stuff. You can customize your box as well. Of course, these items were picked for me and sent, so I was super surprised. I did not know what I was getting. And then the final thing that I am excited about is a like a purse, like book bag thing. Bulkier, New York, if I'm not saying it right. Sorry about that, y'all. This is a $100 little bag. Now, you know, since we've been like with everything that's going on, I haven't really been carrying a purse. I've been carrying like a fanny pack. So when I saw that this was gonna be in there, like this alone retails for $100, and I could just have this on when I don't feel like carrying a purse. See, y'all? Ain't this cute, y'all? When you don't feel like having on no purse, you can just put that on, and I ain't have to do the fanny pack and none of that. So, yes, y'all. As you can see, the box is amazing. There's so many different things that you can customize to get in your box, or it'll be a surprise. Like, I am excited about everything that I received. So again, I would like to thank FabFitFun for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to use my code below where you can get $10 off, making your first box $39.99. And again, y'all, subscribe if you have not turned on your post notifications so you'll be notified of any time you post a video. I post a video. And I would like to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.